How to set up conversion tracking for Contact Form 7 using Google Tag Manager. In the previous video session, I've shown to you how you can install it manually. But you may be using Google Tag Manager, so I'll show you how to set up conversion tracking for Contact Form 7 for WordPress using Google Tag Manager. Okay. Now, this video session assumes that you're using Google Tag Manager already. Now, it's a two-step process. One is we need to create triggers. So let's press on New, give it a name. Let's say CF7 WordPress Form Trigger. Then let's hover over this area, Trigger Configuration. Press on the pencil icon, select Custom Event. Provide the built-in Contact Form 7 function, which is called WPCF7 Mail Sent. Trigger all custom events when this happens. This basically says when someone sends the form successfully, that's when the tag will fire to track your conversions. Now let's save changes. So basically we've created a trigger. Next we need to press on tags and we need to create a new tag. Let's say Google Ads CF7 tag. As an example, give it a meaningful name. Say Google Ads CF tag. Let's press on Tag Configuration, select Google Ads, and select Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Grab the conversion ID from Google Ads user interface and paste it in there. Copy the conversion label and paste that in there. Now, there are other settings here. I'll keep it simple because at minimum this is what we need. And let's press on triggers. And in the previous step, we've created a trigger for the built-in Contact Form 7 function. And now let's save changes. Then simply submit your changes. That's how you set up conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager.